Good morning children, welcome to Maths class. Today we are going to see Unit 3 measurements. In that topics are, first one is comparison of weight. Second one is measuring weight using simple balance. Third one is measuring capacity. First one is comparison of weight. Second one is measuring weight using simple balance. Third one is measuring capacity. Keywords: heavy, light, and capacity. Heavy, light, and capacity. First, we are going to see the topic comparison of weight. Comparison of weight. Children, I am going to tell you a story about comparison of weight and how to compare the story start while traveling. Children, look at the picture. There are 3 characters in the story. There are 3 characters in the story. The characters are Tenali Raman and 2 villagers. The characters are Tenali Raman and 2 villagers. Children, see here. Tenali Raman and 2 villagers went to a town to visit the king. Tenali Raman and 2 villagers went to a town to visit the king. They want to give some gifts to him. Children, where they go? Yes, they went to a town. Whom did they visit? To visit the king. Whom did they visit? To visit the king. Look at the picture, children. In these 3 persons, the middle person is Tenali Raman. In these 3 persons, the middle person is Tenali Raman. Let us read the story, children. Come, let's take the luggages. Come, let's take the luggages. Who will take this big luggage? Who will take this big luggage? Tenali said, I will take it. Tenali said, I will take it. Someone asking, why do you select this big bag? Someone is asking, why do you select this big bag? Tenali replied, no problem. Tenali replied, no problem. Everyone taking food from the big bag. Everyone taking food from the big bag. That means all of them are taking food from the big bag. After eating, they continued the journey. After eating, they continue the journey. Other 2 persons asked Tenali, wow, Tenali, where is our bag? Other 2 persons asked Tenali, wow, Tenali, where is our bag? Tenali said, it became empty. Now I am free. Tenali said, it became empty. Now I am free. Children, how it will be free? Yes, everyone had food. So the bag was empty. everyone had food, so the bag was empty. From this, what we learnt? When the bag is full of food, the bag was heavy. After eating, the bag was empty and light. Are you clear, children? When the bag is full of food, the bag was heavy. After eating, the bag was empty and light. Next, blow and observe. See, children, place a feather, a dry leaf, a key and a nail cutter on a table. Look at the table, children. Blow the things. What did you observe? The feather and dry leaf moved away from the table, but the nail cutter and keys did not. Why? The feather and dry leaf are lighter. Feather and dry leaf are lighter, and nail cutter and keys are heavier. So, lighter objects fall down when air is blown. From this paragraph, we learnt feather and dry leaves are lighter and nail cutter, keys are heavier objects. Are you clear, children? Okay. Next, compare the weight of the objects that are placed on the table. What are the things are there on the table, children? Very good. Books, pencil box, sharpener and eraser. Once again I repeat, children. Books, pencil box, sharpener and eraser. First, we have to compare two objects. That objects are sharpener and book. Sharpener is lighter than the book. Sharpener is lighter than the book. Next one, pencil box and razor. Pencil box is heavier than the razor. Pencil box is heavier than the razor. Next, compare the weight of objects given below and order them from lightest to heaviest by giving numbers 1, 2, 3. Compare the weight of objects given below and order them from lightest to heaviest by giving numbers 1, 2 and 3. First, we compare these three objects. That objects are watermelon, banana and gooseberry. Watermelon, banana and gooseberry. Next, we have to find from lightest to heaviest by giving numbers 1, 2 and 3. So, the first one is gooseberry. Second one is banana. Third one is watermelon. First one is gooseberry. Second one is banana. Third one is watermelon. Second one is elephant yam, potato and chow chow. So, now we are going to find lightest to heaviest by giving numbers 1, 2 and 3. So, first one is potato. Second one is chow chow. Third one is elephant yam. First one is potato, second one is chow chow, third one is elephant yam. Third one is chili, bitter gourd and water gourd. So first one is chili, second one is bitter gourd, third one is water gourd. Fourth one is lock, key and latch. First one is key, second one is latch, third one is lock. First one is key, second one is latch, third one is lock. The second topic is measuring weight using simple balance. Measuring weight using simple balance. Children, I am going to tell you another story for measuring weight using simple balance. Measuring weight using simple balance. This story has two characters. The characters are Bharat and Kannagi. The characters are Bharat and Kannagi. They bought grapes different fruit seller in the roadside shop. Look at the picture, children. Bharat and Kannagi buy grapes from two different fruit sellers from the roadside shop. Both bought grapes different fruit seller in the roadside shop. First, Bharat asked fruit seller, give me one bunch of grapes. Give me one bunch of grapes. And then Kannagi asked, give me one bunch of grapes. Kannagi said, I have bought more grapes than you. Kannagi said, I have bought more grapes than you. Bharat replied, no, I have more than you. Bharat replied, no, I have more than you. They decide, come, let's weigh our fruits in the shop. They decided, come, let's weigh our fruits in the shop. Bharat replied, see, mine is more than ours. We need a standard tool to measure weight. Bharat replied, see, mine is more than yours. We need a standard tool to measure weight. So, we need standard tool to measure weight. Children, you can see one picture. You can see one picture. This is called as simple balance. This is called as simple balance. So, we should use measuring weight using simple balance. Children, we saw only simple balance picture. We saw only simple balance picture. We are going to see and learn structure of simple balance. Look at the picture, children. This is called as simple balance. This is called as simple balance. See the first one, simple balance. Look at the simple balance, children. Small things can be weighed using simple balance. Big things can be weighed using weighing machine. Small things can be weighed using simple balance. Big things can be weighed using weighing machine. Weighing machine. A simple balance has 2 pans. A simple balance has 2 pans. Look at the simple balance, children. It has 2 pans. This is called as pan. This is called as pan. So, a simple balance has 2 pans. First pan is heavy and second pan is light. So, this simple balance has first pan is heavy, second pan is light. Second pan. It has also 2 pans. So, first pan is light, second pan is heavy, and then third pan. Third, simple balance. So, both pans are equal. Both pans are equal. The pan with heavier object comes down. The pan with heavier object comes down. Next, the pan with lighter object goes up. The pan with lighter object goes up. If both the objects are equal in weight, the pan will be in the same level. If both the objects are equal in weight, the pans will be in the same level. What do we learn from these 3 simple balance? What do we learn, children, from these 3 simple balance? When the objects are heavy, the pan will be comes down. The objects are lighter, the pan will be goes up. When the objects are equal, the pan will be in the same level. Are you clear, children? Next, fill the boxes with H for heavy and L for light. Fill the boxes with H for heavy and L for light. Heavy means the pan comes down. Light means the pan goes up. So, first pan goes up. So, we have to write L. Next, this pan comes down. So, this object heavier. Next, first pan comes down. So, this is heavier object. So, this pan goes up. So, this object light. Next, take the lighter side and cross the heavier side of the simple balance. Take the lighter side and cross the heavier side. Heavier side will be comes down. Lighter side will be goes up. So, look at the picture, children. First, watermelon pan comes down. So, this is heavier. So, we have to put cross symbol. Next, pineapple goes up. So, this is lighter. So, we have to put tick. Next, beans and carrot. Beans and carrot. First, beans goes up or comes down? Very good. Goes up. So, this is lighter. So, we put tick. Next, carrot comes down. So, we put cross symbol. Are you clear, children? Yes. Next, match the objects with the suitable balance that are used measure the weight. So here given some objects. First one jaggery, second one beads, third one rice bag, fourth one sugar bag, fifth one gold studs. Next eleki, sixth one eleki. Here given some machines. So first one simple balance, second one digital balance, third one weighing machine. So we have to measure the things with correct weight machine. We have to measure the things with correct weight machine. Shall we match, children? Okay. Let's come, children. Jaggery. We use which machine? Yes, simple balance. Next, beads. We have to use digital balance. Next, rice bag. We have to measure from weighing machine. Fourth one, sugar bag. We have to use weighing machine. Fifth one, gold studs. We have to measure digital balance. Sixth one, eleki. We have to measure simple balance. So jaggery, eleki. We use simple balance. Beads, gold studs, digital balance. Rice bag and sugar bag, weighing machine. Third topic is measuring capacity. Comparison of capacity. Capacity means can hold the objects. Look at the picture, children. Tick the container that contains more water. First, compare this water can, children. Which is heavier water can? Which has more water, children? Yes, the second one is contains more water. So we take this water can. Next, second one is compare this water can, children. This can which is more water, which contains more water. The second one contains more water. So we take this can. Next, to measure the capacity, a common measuring container is necessary. Here let us take the common measuring container as the tumbler. Look at the picture, children. The tumbler can hold 2 tumblers of water. Next, jug. This jug can hold 5 tumblers of water. The jug can hold 5 tumblers of water. Next, here given vessel. This vessel can hold 10 tumblers of water. How many tumblers of water can hold this vessel? 10 tumblers of water. Next, given pot. This pot can hold 20 tumblers of water. This pot can hold 20 tumblers of water. So the tumbler, first this tumbler can hold 2 tumblers of water. jug can hold 5 tumblers of water. The vessel can hold 10 tumblers of water. The pot can hold 20 tumblers of water. Next, guess the capacity of the given container in terms of measuring vessel. Verify your guess by actually measuring it. So, given vessel, flask. Measuring vessel, tumbler. Now, we are going to write guessed capacity and measured capacity. Approximately, I guess this flask will contain 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water. But when we measure 2.5 cups of water. 2.5 cups of water. So, guessed capacity 2. Measured capacity 2.5. Next, given vessel, bucket. Measuring vessel, tumbler. So, this bucket will contain 10 tumblers of water. But when we measure 13 tumblers of water. So, measured capacity 13. Next, here given big pot and small pot. This pot will contain 5 pot of water. But when we measure, this pot contains 7 pot of water. Next, here given big vessel and small vessel. This big vessel contains 10 vessels of water. This is guessed capacity. But measured capacity, when we measured, this vessel contains 15 vessels of water. Next, here given tub and mug. Guessed capacity 25 mug of water. But measured capacity 30 mug of water. Next, find the capacity given that one jug can hold 3 tumblers of water. Look at the picture, children. This one jug can hold 3 tumblers of water. Next, we have to find the answer, children. Here given 2 jug. So, dash tumblers of water. So, what answer comes, children? Yes, one jug can hold 3 tumblers of water. So, 2 jug can hold 6 tumblers of water. Next, here given how many tumblers? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, 3 tumblers filled with 1 jug. So, here given 12 tumblers. So, 12 tumblers can fill how many jugs of water? Yes, very good. 4 jugs of water. Next, we use different shaped containers in daily life for various purposes. Have you ever thought the reason for it? Think. Complete the following table by putting a tick mark below the container that is appropriate for the given activities. First, bathing. We use jug or bucket? Yes, bucket. So, we tick bucket side. Next, washing hands. We use jug. Washing face. Using jug. Washing your lunch box? Bucket. Brushing your teeth? Bucket.
Thank you, children.